Hey, welcome Santa Clarita. This is going to be your daily market update. Coming soon, listing 16. 16 properties are going to be coming on the market in the next 21 days. 57 new homes have been posted listed as new listings in the past 7 days. 68 properties have had their sales prices adjusted. These are majority reductions. This is giving both buyers and sellers something to contemplate with the interest rates slowly coming down. 19 homes have come back on the market, has been in contract, but now they're back available. And 32 properties have entered the escrow process. 48 properties have gone deeper into escrow in the pending, and 67 properties closed this past 7 days. Now, of these listings, what's happening is we're watching as real estate buyers are moving quickly. However, when it comes time to requesting repairs, it seems like they're delaying that process, waiting till they eat up more time. And this could be just savvy agents trying to do their best job for their buyers. But in some cases, this is something as a seller you need to watch out for and make sure your agent is monitoring the timeline that's established by contract. It's very simple. Just make sure that they're watching for what's happening and they're prepared for the dates that are going to come up if you happen to be a real estate seller, just to make sure that the things that are in contract are being adhered to by the buyer. And if not, it's very important for you as a seller to find out that reason very quickly. For you buyers out there using escrow as a reason, those timeframes to delay the process of inspections because you're getting cold feet, it's usually better for you just to come up and be upfront with your agent. Say, listen, I'm having doubts about this purchase. These are the reasons why. And just talk it out with your agent. At the end of the day, there is no seller that wants to sell their house to a buyer that doesn't want it. And of course, buyers don't want to buy a listing that they've changed their mind about. But there are ways that those things can be remedied. You're just going to have to find an expert and an agent that's going to be able to balance that with the other side and make sure that, in fact, everybody's getting what they want. That's your real estate update for today. We will be back tomorrow. October 1st, folks, we're going to have some closing numbers from September, probably posted on the 2nd or 3rd of this month, and we look forward to speaking with you very soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.